In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill text with image on Canva. So the first step will be to come to your editor's tool and click on Elements. After clicking on Elements, then you will go to the search bar and type Frame. When you click on Frame, you will get a drop down of options of frames. Then you will scroll down and search for frames that are in letters, right? Now for this design, I want to add text of BOY, which is boy. So I will select my B and then select my O and then select my Y. Then the next step will be to fill up the text with the images you want to put inside the frame of the text. All you need to do is just drag the images and fill up the text one after the other, or adjust them just as you wish. And that's about it. That's how to fill up text with images. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.